Faceless YouTube channel has over 800,000 subscribers and has got more than 480 million total views by simply uploading videos with stock footage
and an AI voiceover.
What if I told you there is now a free tool that allows you to create similar viral YouTube shorts?
Damn!
Well, it's true. In this video, we will show you how to leverage this tool to produce viral YouTube shorts, reels, and even TikToks for your own page in seconds, thanks to the power of AI. The tool we're going to use is Fliki. We're about to unveil the magic behind Fliki's new function called Idea to Video. It's like having a personal AI genie. Just describe your short in one sentence, and boom. Fliki's AI writes the script, picks the footage, generates a voiceover that sounds so real it could win an Oscar, throws in some background music, and even adds subtitles, all within a few seconds.
Oh my God! Wow!
Now, what can you create with this magical tool, you ask? I stumbled upon a YouTube channel called Nature Lens that specializes in creating informative videos about animals. Their most popular video has garnered over 20 million views alone, and hundreds of their videos have surpassed 1 million views. This channel already boasts over 800,000 subscribers and has accumulated over 480 million total views from all their videos. So it's safe to say that this channel has earned tens of thousands of dollars. But wait, there's more. Let's take a look at one of their videos.
This is the largest land animal in the world. Meet the elephant, nature's tank. Elephants.
In general, these videos consist of stock footage, an AI voiceover, subtitles, and background music, making them perfect for our tool. So, let's get started. Firstly, you want to go, of course, to Fliki. I have put the link to Fliki in the description of this video, so if you'd like to test this method out, simply use this link and get started. Once you've created an account, you'll enter this screen. Here, you want to go to Files and select New File. For this video, I'm going to make a video about elephants as an example, similar to the video I showed you earlier. And here you can choose the audio. I'll select United States. Next, give it a name. And the aspect ratio is correct. Start with the idea and hit Submit. We need to provide a prompt about the main topic of our video. For this example, I'll write mind-blowing facts about elephants. You can set the duration of the video. I'll set it to 30 seconds. Next, you can select stock media. If you choose this, the video will be created using stock footage from websites like Pexels or Pixabay. However, I'll try a new method. I'll choose AI Media. It will generate images using AI. If you're using the free plan, then you can use only images. But for AI-generated videos, you'll need a paid subscription. So, I'll go with images. You can choose the style of images you want, like 3D model, anime, and many other options they have. I'll go with the cinematic style. If you have a paid subscription, you can choose an AI avatar, which is really awesome, and also sound effects. But for now, we'll select the headings and stickers option and click on Submit. And voila! Within seconds and with one click, our video is ready. Wow, the image is looking great already. I mean, it's really amazing. So the script is ready, background music is added, and our voiceover is ready too. And it has added relevant AI-generated images to all the scenes. It has also added a small picture. This is very good as it can help increase retention, and you want to have a high retention rate. Otherwise, YouTube will not push the video. And the more the retention, the more the possibility of going viral. It has also added headings. You can change all the things if you're not satisfied, and it is very easy. You can choose any voiceover you like. So, the video is ready and it is really good. You can upload it directly, but I'll make some minor changes to make it even better. For instance, I don't really like the subtitle settings Fliki has chosen, so I will manually change that as well. To edit, click on the text. I want the captions to be at the center, so I'll choose this position, and the text appears at the center. Simple. I'll change the font to Bangers. I'm choosing the size to large and select the display to Word. This way the subtitles will be shown word by word and not in entire sentences. This makes it more visually appealing and adds motion to the video. Then I'm going to change the text color to yellow and choose a black background to make it stand out. You can choose animations of your choice, but if you see here, by default, Fliki has selected effects and some transitions. So I won't add any animations. And at last, you want to select Apply to Similar Layers, so the changes you made to the subtitles will be applied to the entire video. Now, for the picture-on-picture option, you can change the position. This option can help retain audience retention if used properly. You can select any video, image available, and also GIF, which is taken from Jiffy.com, which has a large number of GIFs. Adding this can really make the video better. Use your creativity and choose whatever you think fits nicely. Also, the first few seconds are very important, so it's crucial that we make it more interesting and delete any unnecessary text. So I'll delete the first few words. Also, if you think that some scene is too long, then you can split that scene. Here is how to do it. Click on Add New Scene, then select Cut and paste it. To select footage, click here, and here you can either select from stock footage or AI-generated images. I'll go with AI-generated photos. Just click on Auto Generate, and it will generate an image. No need to even enter a prompt. Amazing. If you don't like it, then generate again. I like this, so I'm going to use this. You can do this for any scene, and you can add as many images and also picture-to-picture if you want. So, I'll make some minor changes, and it's done. It's very easy and simple. So, let's see the final result.
Fascinating facts about elephants. Picture this, a creature strong yet gentle, wise but playful. Welcome to the world of elephants, the real gentle giants. Did you know? Elephants are the world's largest land animals. Their size commands respect, and their presence.
Wow, incredible what Fliki can do in such a short time. You can make 7 to 10 short videos using a free account. However, if you want to scale it and upload more, then consider a paid subscription. It definitely saves a lot of time. Export the video and ta-da! Thanks for hanging out. Until next time, keep it Fliki, keep those elephants interesting. And remember, the only thing bigger than an elephant's ears is your potential on YouTube.